Hello and welcome. You're watching WION World is One. My name is Hemkaur Saroya and here's a look at all the top stories that we're tracking for you right now. Israel prepares plans for renewed attacks in Gaza and Lebanon after ceasefire comes into effect. Military chief says troops must be prepared for significant operations in the West Bank in the coming days. Hamas says it will release 4 Israeli women hostages on Saturday in return for Palestinian prisoners. It will be the second release under the first phase of the hostage release and ceasefire deal. Russian President Vladimir Putin holds talks with his Chinese counterpart Xi Jinping. This is both leaders prepared to deal with US President Donald Trump. Chinese Vice Premier Deng Xishuang issues strong warning to the United States, says there are no winners in a trade war. This is the world's second largest economy, faces the possibility of tariffs under Trump 2.0. Russia says it intercepted 55 Ukrainian drones overnight, with falling debris sparking a fire at an oil depot in West Russia and hitting an aviation plant near the border with Ukraine. This is reportedly the same fuel depot in Verozhny region hit last week. British Prime Minister Keir Starmer pledges to fight the changing face of terrorism after a teenager admitted to the murder of 3 young girls in a stabbing spree that triggered riots last year, says Britain faces a new threat. Prince Harry's high-stakes legal battle against Rupert Murdoch's British tabloids goes to trial at the High Court in London. The case pertains to alleged unlawful activities carried out by journalists and private investigators working for the press from 1996 until 2011. For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.